Hello and welcome. Today we are going to try to explain to the users why the collaboration plugin is essential for your workflow, especially if you want to overcome the Oxygen multi-editor problem. And before we go into the details, I want to just jump right away and explain you what collaboration plugin is solving for you. So first of all, you can open several tabs, and you know that Oxygen is loading slow, so you can just open several tabs and work simultaneously in all of them, or several users can log in into the Oxygen, into WordPress, and just edit pages. Even the several users can work on the same page. Our installation is pretty simple. We are having Oxygen, and I applied some of the Oxygen default sets. For the plugins, at the moment we are having the all-in-one migration, Faker Press for fake content, Oxygen, and a Swiss knife. For collaboration plugin to work, he needs framework plugin, and you can install it before, or you can install the collaboration plugin and the additional plugin will be installed automatically. Let's start with the first approach. Aether plugin is hosted on wordpress.org. You can go to the plugins, add new, same as any free plugin, and you can type Aether, or you can even type the DPlugins and you will find it. Let's go install and then activate. After Aether is installed, let's go to the add new and then upload the collaboration plugin that you downloaded from the plugin store. Activate. Let's start with the second approach. For the second approach, I deleted the Aether and the collaboration plugin, and I'm going to first add the collaboration plugin. So if you install the collaboration plugin first, the collaboration plugin will automatically download and install the Aether plugin as well. So now let's go to the collaboration settings. To set up the collaboration plugin, we need to do two things. One is to paste the license, and you can find it under the Aether collaboration license tab. Paste it, save changes. After that, we need to paste the pusher API keys, and to create them, let's go to the settings, and there is a link to the pusher.com. Let's go sign in. If you have GitHub or a Google account, you can use those. Go to the manage and create an app. Edit a name, and just a note, you can create just one app and you can reuse the keys for all your projects. Then you need to select a cluster based on your location. I'm going to select Europe. You can skip those two and create an app. After that, go to the app settings and enable client events. When that is done, go to the API keys and copy those keys. save changes, and we are ready to go. Okay, since everything is set up, let's move to the juicy stuff. And what you can see here is we're having a one page, and we can open the notification and we will see that we are editing just one page and collaboration is ready. Okay, now I'm going to open the sponsors as well. Let's wait for a green light. Okay, now everything is set up, and when you open it, you will see that we are editing the sponsors page, and if you open it here, you will see that we are opening the archive page, and one more is opened as well. So let's show the power of the collaboration. So we are having this class that is shared on both of the titles. So let's play with the font size and font weight. And if you move here, you will see that automatically is applied. So I can do the same thing here. We move, it's applied right away. So please tell me, how awesome is this? Okay, perfect. Let's now go to the global settings, and we can do that. Settings, sorry, global styles, colors. Just let's find, that's probably this dark. Yeah, perfect. And you can see everything is synced right away. Perfect. And in the previous example, we were covering a single user, and just a point that all those synchronization was done without single saving. So let's save it now. And I want to show you that we want to introduce now the second user to the game. So let's go to the blog, and I'm going to open it in a new browser just to demonstrate that we are having the second user. So this is a user 2 and this is a user 1. Okay, we need to open our blog. Let's open it as a user 2. Let's wait, it usually loads slower in Chrome, and that's the oxygen thing that doesn't have anything to do with the collaboration plugin. Just a second. I want to display the current logged user. Yeah, that's developer 2. So if I change something here, let's again go to the settings, global styles, colors. Let's change it to blue. Okay, perfect. And here it is. The user 1 also got the same edit. So let's do it here. If we go to the user 2, it's synced automatically. So as you can see, now the multiple users can work in the same environment, on the same website, same page, and everything will be synced right away. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos like this. Bye.